Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the universal remote model and inserting fresh batteries so signals are strong. Power on the Sharp TV and note its model number. This helps pick the right code. Once done, locate the remote code list or open the remote app on your phone for code search. Make sure the TV stays on during the process. Doing these steps first prevents guesswork later and speeds programming when you enter or cycle codes. You put the remote into programming mode by pressing and holding setup until the LED indicates readiness. This tells the remote to accept a code. Next, enter the Sharp TV code precisely from the list. If you don't have a code, use the code search method and watch for the TV to respond. Once a code is entered, immediately test power and volume. This confirms control. If a function fails, repeat entering another code. Sometimes one code controls power, but not audio, so cycle until all functions work. You finish by saving the selected code as the remote requires, then methodically check every essential button so you catch missed functions early. If none of the listed codes work, use the auto search or the remote's learning mode with an existing Sharp remote that transfers signals directly. If problems remain, troubleshoot. Replace batteries, move closer to the TV, remove obstacles, resync, or perform a remote factory reset. These steps isolate common issues and restore reliable control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.